AD Sarkniel Gaming, ito ang ating Season 33 performance. Pero di ko lang kung main account to. Check natin. In Season 33, countless matches happened on the Land of Dawn, of which I fought in 127 ranked matches. Okay, let's see. Highest rank, Mythical Honor. Yeah, I got Mythical Honor in all my 3 accounts. A total of 245 players left me alone after like a battle. Whoa, so I have played with 245 people and only played with them once. In this season, you made some truly treasurable memories in the Land of Dawn. You have 10 new heroes, added 45 new skins, and you play total of 8 matches every day. Oh, I'm the best ML player in the world with 8 matches a day. Every day is full of excitement in the land with MLBB. On September 17, 2024, you got 23 kills. Yeah, I'm up. And word of your feet spread throughout each and every corner of the Land of Dawn. Yeah, I'm the best. And my mom is calling. Wait, BRB. Okay, now let's continue, guys. 56.7% win rate and 31 MVP. Power is the best group of them all. Of course, we used our favorite Leomord. I used a total of 19 heroes. I played a total of 89 matches with Leomord. Yes, we are Leomord God. Leomord God. MVP 6, in MVP 21% with the 93.5% players surpass. Ooh, I surpassed 93.5%. I don't trust these numbers. Anyways, 8.6 grade, yeah, surpassed 88% players rank S, and my win rate is 61.8%, and I'm still rank A. What? So you want how many win rate for rank S? I achieved my 5 maniacs. I told you I'm a Leomord God. Char. Kidding. That's why they call me the Reaper. You win some, you lose some. It's another season. Manila, number 87 Leomord, by the way. So, in season 33, I never walk alone. It's a blessing to have my sig. Yeah, that's my friend right there. We fought side by side in 46 ranked matches and got a win rate of 54.3%. There's no better team. Let's keep fighting together next season. And also, I can't forget Donchan. Yeah, Donchan is certainly a reliable teammate with pushing fourth in 6 matches with a win rate of 83.3%. Yeah, me and Donchan have good synergy. But he is too busy with studies. Anyways, in Season 33, in those unforgettable memories, there's also Jack. We fought in 9 matches with a win rate of 44.4%. Shout out to Jack. We have a low win rate together. Babush. Just kidding. Yeah, he's one of my solid followers that visits me. He visits my live stream a lot. Pushing through hardships together, that's how I make my friend. And the thumbs down. Sorry, Jack. So I reached 29 stars, Mythical Honor last season. And now, welcome back to Epic, guys, where everything is epic. Yes, season finale rewards, 10,000 battle points, which is useful for my 3rd account, and 750 tickets that are not useful anymore, and yes, the 100-day emote that is not also useful. Yeah, actually the tickets are useful in this 3rd account because there are some skins that I don't have. Anyways, so that sums up my season 33 in my 3rd account. I will cover my main account or maybe also my 2nd account if I have time. And we have our new hero for this season. Yeah, new season, new hero, and new interface. Thank you for watching. Share your results on the comments down below. Bye-bye. Welcome to Epic, everyone. Have a good new season ahead. Hope you reach mythical glory or immortal if you want to. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye, thank you.
Hindi available.